huh? Either we can use this method, either we can use the unitary method. Okay, now. So see what we can do. We know that if there is rupees 100, okay, and rupees 100, let's say it is the price of an article, Ahmed. Okay, now the price increases by 20%. Price increases by 20%. So new price of that article will be 120. Obviously, 20% increase means 20 rupees increase. Why? So thereby the new price is rupees 120. Okay. Now same thing can be said here that, see, looking at the previous example of this example number 2, here we saw that the price of scooter has increased by 20%. So using the same analogy, that 100 rupees increased to 120 rupees. So thereby 34,000 rupees will increase to simply 120 upon 100 multiplied by 34,000. Same analogy can be applied here as well. So that can be 120 upon 100 multiplied 90,000. That will yield you the answer. The answer is 1,08,000.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? And there is another method to solve the same question. What we can do? First, we will write whatever is given in the question. Like old price was not given this much. ये पुराना price given है, old price given है. Now increase or basically hike is 20% this year. So what is the new price? So new price will be old price plus increase in price, increase in the price of the article. So it will be simply old price, that is 90,000, plus increase in price. So how much price is increasing? 20% is increasing. Getting
Yes,
it
sir.
now? So you will find 20% of 90,000 rupees. 20% of 90,000. So that will be 90,000 plus 20 upon 100 times 90,000. Okay, now that is 18,000
Yes,
plus
sir.
90,000. And when we add them, we will be getting the same answer. That is 1 lakh and 8,000.
Yes, sir.
So you can either use any of the methods. Okay, now whatever the examiner asks or whatever is convenient for you guys, if no such method is prescribed to solve the question. Okay, right now this method which I told you, where you would be doing it like this: 120 100 multiplied 90,000, that is called the unitary method. Okay, now it's the same as if 1 pen cost 5 rupees, so 2 pen will be costing 5 times 2. Getting it now? So same analogy has been applied here as well. Okay, I
Yes,
hope
sir.
that is clear. Okay, do one thing, take some questions. Okay, now you can solve it as per your convenience. By the way, both of you got this method or not?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Right?
don't we need to find the increase person when the increase and the cost price is given?
Look here, you don't have to find the increased percent, you have to find the increased price. Here we have to basically find the increase or decrease percent. It's saying here, यहाँ पर लिखा है increase or decrease percent, but actually we are finding the new price. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
actually we have to find the new price. So that's what we are required to do. Ahmed, did you got the method or not? How to find the percentage of the given value? How to basically find the increase percent?
Yes,
And
sir.
then okay, now so whatever the old price of the article is given, then you will be adding the increased percentage into that old price of the article. Thereby you will be getting the current price. Okay, so solve a question. An article costed rupees 95,000 last year. This year, the price increased by 15%. Find the new price. Here, do this one.
So the unitary method also applies to 15%.
To any value, not just 20%. It applies to any percentage. Okay, now.
So do you
In
have
fact,
to tell the answer?
you guys can just mention it in the chat box. Okay, now. In fact, unitary method is more easy. Out of the two, unitary method is ज़्यादा easy है.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, look here. What we were required to do in this question, as we know that 20% increase means 100 rupees. हमें पता है 20 means 20% increase हो रहा है. It means कि 100 rupees will now be 120 rupees. Right now. So basically, if 100 rupees is increasing to 120 rupees. So by the unity method, let's talk about 1 rupees. Both of you pay attention here. If 100 rupees means कि 20% increase हो रहा है, 20% is increasing, so thereby 100 rupees converts to 120 rupees. So 1 rupees will be 120 upon 100.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ahmed, are you getting this?
Sir, I got
Suppose,
the answer by the way.
okay, write it in the chat box. Suppose you went to the market to purchase the pencil box. Okay, na Ahmed? Huh? So it costed 100 rupees, but now the shopkeeper said that now due to inflation the price has increased by 20%. So अब ये cost करेगा 120 rupees. Okay, no? So 100 rupees were now converted to 120 rupees. So if it was okay, Arhan. So if it were to be 1 rupees, now it would be increased to 120 upon 100. अब given question में ये क्या है 90,000, right now? So 90,000 will be simply 120 upon 100 multiplied by 90,000 now. Getting it now? So thereby you can clearly get your answer. That will be 1,08,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahmed, am I not audible to you? I'm not hearing anything from your side. I think your mic isn't working properly, Ahmed.
Yes, I can hear you well.
Okay. But I can't hear you well. आपकी आवाज clear नहीं आ रही है. Did you got this method or not? Please do let me know.
I'm kind of confused.
Look, it's the same thing now. Arhan, it's the same thing now. Like, for example, 10 pens are costing, let's say, 50 rupees. ठीक है ना? अभी मैं percentage की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Forget about percentage right now. So what is the cost of 1 pen?
So 1 upon 50.
50 upon 10, no? That is 5 rupees. If 10 pens cost 50 rupees, so thereby 1 pen is equal to 50 upon 10. That means rupees 5. The cost of every pen is rupees 5.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it, Ahmed and Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So now if I were to ask you to find the cost of 300 pens, will you not be able to do it very easily?
Yes, sir.
You know the cost of 1 pen is 50 upon 10. So thereby the cost of 300 pen will be 50 upon 10 multiplied 300 now.
Yes, sir.
This here is the cost of 1 pen. So multiplied by 300. So that will be 1500. Getting it now? Same thing is being done here also. Just यहाँ पे सिर्फ percentage की increase percent की बात की जा रही है. Right now, sometimes you can see decrease percentages also, but just right now talk about increase percent. So 100 rupees increase to 120 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's say you went to market to purchase a pencil box. Okay, now, and let's say it costed 100 rupees initially, but not due to inflation. Now महंगाई बढ़ने के बाद now it cost 120 rupees. Very good now. So for example, for 1 rupees will be now 120 upon 100. I think you guys are getting confusing in this thing. Let me change the values. See, now again say that you are having 100 pencils. ये pencils है simply 100 pencils are costing 120 rupees. Okay now. So talking about one pencil की अगर मैं बात करूं, so will it not be 120 upon 100?
Yes, sir.
Same analogy is being applied as we applied here. 10 pen cost 50 rupees, so thereby one pen will cost 50 upon 10. Right now, so thereby if one pencil is costing 120 upon 100, so thereby 90,000 pencil will cost simply the cost of one pencil multiplied the given number of pencils. Hence, that is this much. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So that is a unitary method, right now. So simply this question can also be solved very easily, right now.
Yes, sir.
So we know that 50% increase means कि if you are buying an article for 100 rupees now, so this will now become increase to 115 rupees, 115 rupees now.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, please do let me know if you are getting this thing or not. Hello.
Vishal, I have understand.
Okay. Also, Ahmed, it was a request from my side to you. Please do get your audio for your mic fixed. Regularly, I have been observing like your mic is not working properly in the class. Yeah. So do you attend your classes from laptop or from your smartphone, by the way? Okay. But please do get it fixed. Okay, now. By the way, am I visible to both of you or not?
You are.
Okay, then. So 15% increase means 100 rupees will increase to this much. So now here the given price is 95,000 rupees right now. So 95,000 rupees will increase to what? 95,000 से भी पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं 1 rupees की. Okay ना? So it will be 115 upon 100 and talking about here 100. Okay, okay. Let me check the value you have answered. Okay, see, so 1 rupees will be 115 upon 100. So talking about 95,000, it will be 115 upon 100 times 95,000. Yeah, Ahmed, do the calculation quickly. 115
Yes, sir.
multiplied 950. Yeah, Arhan, you have answer. Okay. So that will be 1035. Okay, okay, let me check that. 105250 you're saying. Okay, Ahmed, you also check what value you are getting and do let me know.
109250.
109250. Exactly. That is the value you guys should be getting right now. So the increased price is this much. So hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Quickly, without taking too much time, solve one more question. Okay, no? So I am just writing keywords here. Old price, suppose for an article, the old price was, let's say, 55,000 rupees. Tha.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? And increase percent was, let's say, it was 25%. Okay. What is the new price? Find the new price using the unitary method. Okay, no?
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, okay, write in the chat box. Okay, Arhan, this you have answer for the second question.
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. 125 times 550. That will be what? Unitary method में simply ये 125 upon 100 times 55,000 होगा ना. 100 cancel. So 125 times 550. So you have answered it's 1,37,500. No, Arhan. Ahmed, you have answered 13,750. Did you guys solve it the same method as I have solved it?
Sir, by mistakenly took 250.
No, no, you have to take 125 now. The answer will be 68,750 rupees. Getting it, Ahmed and Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you guys would like to solve one more question or should we move ahead? Okay, okay, quickly tell me one more question. We'll do solve one more question. Suppose the price of a given article was 68,000 rupees. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It's the old price. This is the old price and the increase percent is, let's take it to be 12%. So find the new price of the given article using this unitary method.
So is it 60,000?
60,000?
So is the price 60,000 or 68,000?
No, no, it's 68,000. 68,000.
Did you answer in the chat box?
Answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
No, Ahmed. No, that is not the value you'd be getting. Will you please show to me like how you have solved this question? Either you can send it in the group or you can, if possible, show it in the camera. I would like to.
I've taken 112 upon 100 6,008 60,800.
Okay, okay. You are getting 76,160, no? Okay, okay. I think that is correct. You are getting the same answer, Han?
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
That is correct. Okay. That is simply 112 upon 100 times 68,000. Okay, now 100 cancels. 112 times 680, that will be 76,160. I thought of 112. I mistakenly I took it to be 120. Okay, so that is the value you'd be getting. So hope now you guys have understood how to solve such questions.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see how do you find discounts. Discount is what basically? Let's say if it isn't given in terms of price, right? Now basically rupees may given here or in any other currency it is given. So it is very easy to find.
Yes,
So
sir.
suppose the mark price, okay, na, let's say कि mark price was 200 rupees, okay, na? But you got it for 180 rupees. You got it for 180 rupees. So simply the discount is
20.
200 and minus 180, that is 20. So that is in rupees. What if I were required to find how much percentage you got discount? आपको कितना percent discount मिला? I
1%.
got, huh? See, the thing is that I got rupees 20 as a discount. But if I were to see like how much percentage as I got discount, so that will be whatever discount you are getting. Ahmed, you are getting rupees 20 as a discount, right? So you will write it over here. The mark price was rupees 200. That is the mark price, and that is the sale price or the selling price. So mark price is 200 multiplied by 100, right? Cancel, cancel, and then 10. So you have got the discount of 10%,
10%.
Yes, sir.
right now? Okay. Now, see this question. The price of one jeans is rupees 2500 and we are getting a discount of rupees 500. Then what is the sale price of the jeans? Okay, we will come to this question, but I think you should be solving some questions based on this thing. Okay, now? So first do practice some questions. Find discount percent on an article whose mark price is rupees 560 and sale price is rupees 480. Both of you solve this question.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to find the discount percent.
Sir, I got the answer.
What value you're getting?
Sir, 14.2%.
Okay, okay. Ahmed, are you getting the same answer?
Something. Something.
Okay, okay. Of each of the given items. So Arhan, look at the second question. A dress marked at rupees 120. Are you getting the question? What the question is saying? You have to find the sale price here. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
discount percent is given. You have to find the sale price. So first try to solve this, then I will be helping. If not, a pair of shoes, let's say, marked at rupees 750. Ahmed, you got the answer of the first one, by the way.
14.
That is
14.
14%. Exactly. So question number one, you guys must have solved it like this. First, you would have found the discount. That will be mark price minus sale price. So that will be simply 560 minus 480. That would be rupees 80, right? Not discount percent. Simply the discount, that is 80 upon mark price, that is 560 times 100. That is 14 0.3 around, somewhere like that. Okay, now that is the value. Now guys, look at question number 2. Rana, are you able to solve this question? See, here in this question, na, you have to find the sale price. Okay, now if the mark price is given as follows.
Yes, sir.
A
So we
shopkeeper
have to
is
find the discount, then we have to add the discount to the mark price, then we would get the selling price.
exactly. First, you will be required to find the discount here. Okay, no? Like here it says that 20% of discount is being given. So first you will find what is the 20% of 120 rupees. Okay, no? So whatever value you will be finding, then you are required to find what? Yahan pe mark price is already given. Okay, now you are required to find sale price. And how we will be able to find sale price using this formula? Yes, that will be simply, look, if we were to adjust this formula, see if you are required to find sale price using this formula,
MP plus discount.
MP plus discount or MP minus discount. See, if you were now to bring this over here, let's say कि this is discount equals to mark price minus sale price. Okay, you are required to find sale price right now. See, can you bring this over here and bring this over here? See, can I write selling price equals to mark price minus discount?
Yes, sir.
We can switch the sides and we can write it like this. So selling price will be mark price minus discount. But first you have to find the discount. Let me actually solve one of the question, then you guys will understand it fully. Also guys, remember this formula also. From this given formula, two formulas can be derived. One is the sale price equals to discount, sorry, that's mark price. Mark price minus discount. Getting it now, Ahmed and Arhan?
So is the answer of the first one is 96.
The first one, exactly. That should be coming 96. See how Arhan must have solved this question. Ahmed, look here. A of question number 2. So here, first of all, we will write whatever is given in the question. Okay. So the given things in the question are as follows. You have discount, that is 20%, and the mark price, that is 120 rupees. And we need to find the selling price is what? We know selling price, the formula is this over here. So you are provided already with mark price, but you need to find discount. But in the question, discount percent is given. Okay, na? So 20% discount is given on this mark price. Always remember that discount is calculated on mark price. हम discount mark price के ऊपर calculate करते हैं. Okay, ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's find what is the discount value. So discount value is simply 20% of 120 rupees. So that will be 20 upon 100 times 120. That is rupees 24 हमें discount मिल रहा है. So from here it becomes very easy. That selling price will be simply mark price minus discount value.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the mark price, Ahmed? What is the mark price?
Sir, I sent the answer to the second question.
The second question you have sent. Okay, let me check that. Okay. Ahmed, answer this to me. Mark price given in question number A is what? I suppose I'm audible.
120.
Obviously 120 right now. And the discount we found out to be rupees 24. So 120 minus 24, obviously that is rupees 96. So that is the sale price. This at this price the product is being sold. Okay, attempt question number 2 also. Okay, now Ahmed. Well, let me have a look at the answer you have sent. Okay, Arhan. Okay, just let quickly process it. So the given market price is rupees 750. Obviously, you will subtract this from 750, then you would be getting this value. That is correct, Arhan. Very good. Okay. Ahmed, do solve this question and do let me know what value you're getting. In fact, you'd be getting the getting this value in the same manner as you solved this previous question. Also, these formulas you guys are required to remember by heart. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you remember these 3 formulas. I will be asking these questions, these formulas in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm moving ahead and also try this question also, Arhan.
Okay, sir.
This is also the same question basically. Same method will be applied here. No, I don't know. Here you have to find the discount percentage actually.
Sir, we also have to find the sale price.
Sale price also has to be found out here.
Sir, sir, should I tell the answer?
You can tell the answer.
Sir, the discount percentage is 20%.
20%. Very good. So see in this question. By the way, Ahmed, were you done with the previous question?
And the sale price is 2000 rupees.
2000 obviously. Ahmed, were you done with the previous question?
No,
Hello.
sir, I can't do it.
Okay, look here. In the previous question now, mark price is given 750 rupees. Ye mark price basically when you go to the shop now, when you go to the shopping complex, there you can find 2 prices listed on the label. Price tag के ऊपर हमें 2 prices देखने को मिल सकता है. So one will be the mark price, but then there will be some discounted price. So this is the mark price, that is rupees 750. Solve question number 2B. So mark price is given rupees 750 and इसके ऊपर हमें 20% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
It in rupees, that is 20% of rupees 750, that is 20 upon 100 times 750. So that is 150 rupees का हमें डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, right now. So the mark price is originally 750, but discount हमें मिल रहा है 150 rupees का. So thereby the sale price would be 750. That means कि mark price minus the discount. So that is rupees 150. So thereby 600 rupees is the answer. Getting it now? Okay, in this manner you have to solve this question. Also make sure you guys keep on taking the screenshots of the questions. Okay. This question, the answer you are getting, Arhan, is 20%, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I erase the screen by the way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmed, have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. So see, read this question, Ahmed. The question says that the price of one jeans is rupees 2500 and we are getting a discount of rupees 500. So what is the sale price of the jeans? What is the discount percentage? So simply first step will be to write whatever is given in the question. So the mark price is rupees 2500. The discount amount you are getting is rupees 500 का discount हमें मिल रहा है. So we need to find the sale price. What is the formula to find the sale price, by the way, guys? How do we find the sale price?
The MP minus discount.
Mark price minus discount, obviously. So that is 2500 minus 500. So thereby you will be buying the product at rupees 2000. That is the sale price. So we have got the sale price now. Further, we are required to find how much discount you got in terms of percentage. So discount percent, the formula is discount upon what? Ahmed, it's discount upon, yeah, discount percent equals to discount upon what? Discount upon marked price now. Yeah. So thereby simply, you know, the discount is 500. So thereby 500 upon marked prices rupees 2500 multiplied 100. So thereby you would be getting 20% as a discount percent. Hope that is clear. Further, we will understand like how do we do estimation in percentages. Okay, that is in fact very easy. See, if there is the question, if the price of a product in the mall is rupees 498.80 rupees. So, and it is available at a discount of 15%. So how would you estimate the amount to be paid? Simply, we will be rounding it to the nearest 10.
Yes, sir.
That will be simply 500. So simply you can find it like this. Huh? So nothing so much tricky about this. Okay, now. So in this manner, you can find it out. Okay, if there's still any questions so far, please do let me know or do stop me.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will be discussing few more questions and then we will be moving to the next topic. By the way, let's just cover this thing quickly. Like what is cost price, what is selling price? These are very simple thing. When you buy anything, okay, no, or sell anything in the market, then there are so many things included in it, like the cost of the product, some overhead expenses to present it, some promotion, etc. Right? So, for example, a shopkeeper had bought something, okay, now from the wholesale dealer for rupees, let's say 100 rupees. Take care. Now, further, he must have spent something on its packaging.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now he must have spent something on its packaging. Then he will be there will be some taxes on it also. There will be some labor charges on it also.
Yes, sir.
So initially there are some overhead expenses, some extra expenses on it also. These are basically called as overhead expenses. Right. So suppose like rupees 1 was spent here, rupees 1 was spent here, rupees 2 and rupees 3, like this. So the total price will become 100 plus overhead expenses, that is rupees 7. So it is 107 rupees. But still will be count as cost price. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So cost price is the actual amount which is paid by the manufacturer to produce it or to provide the service also. Right. So cost price is basically the actual amount, getting it now, which is being paid by the manufacturer to produce it. Suppose you are producing something, so you will be spending some amount on it to produce it. Suppose someone has a sugar mill. So in order to produce 1 kilogram of sugar, whatever cost is coming there, that will be 100 rupees. Later on, there will be some cost in its packaging also, some taxes also, and some labor charges will also be taken into account. Like transport charges will also be taken into account. So in total, now it will become, let's say, 1 kg now becomes 107 rupees. The price now becomes 107 rupees. Right now. So further, when he will sell it to the shopkeeper, he will be selling it for 107 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now of course he will be making some profit also. But let's just think he has sell it to the shopkeeper for 107 rupees. But then later on, shopkeeper, he also has to earn some profit. That's why he has opened the shop. So he will be increasing its price by rupees 300. So thereby he will be selling it for 110 rupees. That is the selling price. Getting it now? Basically, the price, the amount at which the product is being sold in the market. So hope that clears the doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same thing we did discuss that moments ago. Whether you said profit or whether you said discount, both of the terms are the same thing. Then talking about loss. When loss is incurred, when loss will be incurred, when obviously the selling price,
SP is greater than cost price.
SP is smaller than cost price.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now is Ahmed here or not?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So suppose you bought now an article for, suppose there's a retailer who bought a given item for rupees 100, but now yeah, because since there is no one is purchasing the given item from him. Okay, so unfortunately he had to sell it for 95 rupees. Right now, so suppose he has some perishable items that will start to rot after some time. So he will have to sell it eventually at loss. So thereby he will be making a loss of rupees 5. That is a loss amount here. And how much loss percent he will be making? So in order to find out, it will be simply loss upon cost price multiplied 100. Again, loss will also be incurred on the cost price. Right now, loss हमें cost
5%.
price के ऊपर हो गया. That will be simply 5%. 5 upon 100 times 100. That will be 5% is loss here. So that basically is loss. Okay, na? Further, there are some situations. Further, there are some situations where you would be given with like, for example, profit percent is given, cost percent is also given. Okay, no? You cost price of a given article is given. So suppose there is a item here, and the cost price of this is rupees 100. Okay, and let's say you are making a profit of 12% on it. Yeah, and you are required to find what is the selling price of it. This is the profit. This is the cost price. Cost price and market price, by the way, both are same things. You might have heard of like different terms in the NCERT, but these are the same terms. Okay, now. So what would be the selling price of the person? For
So
what price he
100
must have
plus
sold?
profit upon 100 into CP.
See, whenever cost price is given and profit percent is given, the formula to find selling price, it is simply 100 plus gain percent or simply profit percent.
Sir, it said the same thing.
You said the same thing, no?
Yes, sir.
100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied cost price. Huh? Exactly. So that is the formula we will be using. Getting it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So solve few questions on it. I think we are still having few time. So thereby we can solve some question. So question is that selling price, you're required to find what is the selling price if the profit made on selling a given article is 5%. Okay, now, and the given articles are as follows. So for example, the cost price of the given article is rupees 700. This is cost price. And let's say there are some overhead expenses also, rupees 50 as overhead expenses. Okay, find the selling price in this case.
Yes, sir.
Remember that cost price is always equal to the buying price plus overhead expenses. Okay, now cost price equals to the buying price plus overhead expenses. Okay, solve this question.
Please, the answer is 785.
The answer you're getting is 785. Okay, let's check that. So 100 plus 5 upon 100 times 750. That is 105 upon 100 multiplied 750. So cancel this out. What value you are getting? What value you told me, Arhan? Hello.
Sir, 785.
785. Okay. So 105 times 15. So that will be 1575 now. Okay. And then divided by 2. 14. Obviously, that is somewhere around that. Okay, no, but it should be 787. Around this, you should be getting the value. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
So hope that is clear. Have a look at this question, by the way. Finding cost price or selling price, profit percent or loss percent. So Sohan had bought a second-hand refrigerator for this price, then spent some rupees on it to repair it, and then sold it for rupees 3,300. We need to find his loss or gain percent. Right now, we don't know whether he made loss on it or whether he made profit on it.
Sir, can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, the gain percent is 12.
12%. See, so basically the total cost price, basically buying price plus some overhead expenses, that is 3,000 rupees. We need to find whether he had loss or gain percent. Yeah. So basically here, the first we need to see, obviously at the even thing we can see he is making profit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he is making profit of rupees 300.
Yes, sir.
And we know profit percent is given profit upon cost price multiplied 100. Okay, no? So that will be 300 upon cost price. That is 3,000 multiplied 100.
Sir, 2,500.
Cost price, you will be taking this value, no? Rupees 3,000, no? Profit percent equals to profit upon cost price multiplied 100.
Sir, I
We
took
have
2,500.
no. Always profit is made on the cost price. Cost price के ऊपर हमें profit होता है. In fact, the formula to find cost price is what? Whatever is the given buying price and then overhead expenses.
Then it's 10%.